Hello YouTube, welcome back. So that of last week we were talking about price coming to take this liquidity resting at this level. If you had watched that of my last video, we talked about price coming back to this level to sweep the liquidity here. So we have actually seen that price has actually taken it out, and then it's looking like it's going to head downwards from this level. So starting with our top-down analysis from the weekly chart. There have been some changes in my layouts. That is why we are having a new view, trading view. Nice. So that's why we're having this new view. I did some changes. So now coming to the weekly charts, we can see price is looking bearish. Why? Because we can see this high that was formed and then a lower high, and then we have met a break of structure at this level to the downside. I've not changed this one, so something like this. So we have break of structure to the downside, and price is indicating signs of weakness. And also we can see there are level of imbalance that was created around this level. This is a sign that price could potentially come back to get these levels. To fill up the imbalance that was created that week. And pulling our fibs, which we have already pulled here. You can see that price has not yet gotten to a discount price before we can see any further rally to the upside. We are yet to tap at least the 50% retracement level before we can rally to the upside. So now, since the weekly is indicating bearish, we go down to the daily chart. So coming down to the daily chart, let's make this bigger. So what can we see in the daily chart? We can see price creating higher lows and then lower highs as well. So I think next week Monday should be a great determinant in the directional bias for next week. Monday should be a great determinant in the direction, because there are two possible scenarios that could potentially play out here, and we have one for price coming back here to fill up this imbalance at this level before dropping to the downside, or we could just potentially see price dropping all through right from there. So we could see price dropping, getting to that box and dropping, or we could just drop down from this level, because we have been creating lower highs to the downside. So whatever highs and lows created on the daily chart are very, very significant here in the direction of the market. So the decision for the daily time frame is, if price let's clean this up to make everything look okay. So now, if price should take out this high on Monday, then it's indicating signs of bullishness for next week. But if we respect this high and keep showing signs of weakness, if we create a bearish candle on Monday, then we are most likely bearish for the week, because we can see a lot of rejection around these levels. So most likely I'm expecting bearishness down to the 50% retracement level on the higher time frame. So down to the 4-hour chart. At this level is a crucial level for what's going to happen next week. Is a crucial level. So as long as this level is being respected, we are definitely going bearish next week, because looking at the 4-hour, you can also see this happening, everything creating lower highs from this level. So most likely we could see price selling off around this level. And also, if you look at the weeks around here, you can also see signs of rejection with all these large wicks showing weakness around this level. So Yeah, so basically until we take out this high, we are still bearish for GBP AUD. So going down again to the 1 hour chart. Forgot to mention, yeah, it's GBP AUD we are trading. You also see it as well in the caption. The caption will always be I will always put GBP AUD on the caption of this video. Yeah, so coming down to the 1 hour chart, we can already see weakness in price, signs of weakness around this level. So you can see failure to create a higher high, we're going lower, breaking structures to the downside. So all these things are in line with the potential that price would probably sell off to the downside ahead of next week. So basically I'm looking for bearish price action for next week. So but if Monday should break this high, then fine and good. We'll look for bullish movement into these levels. So we normally use Aussie dollar to determine the direction GBP is planning on taking. So looking at Aussie dollar on the weekly chart, we have been seeing some downtrends from this level, and then around this level we broke structure to the upside. Okay, we slightly broke the structure to the upside just with a week. Yeah, so basically we are coming back down to retrace. You can see some from this low to this high that was created. Yeah, so price got to this high, broke it with a week, then dropped down to the 50% retracement level. So there is a high chance that we can actually see price continue. We can actually see price rally from this level to the upside, because we have already tapped into a discount zone on the chart. So I can see some possibilities that we can potentially rally to the upside, and also we can also drop as well. You get and we can actually drop to tap in the 60 or 70% retracement level, which are the premium levels. So in the 4 hour chart, just like I said in the previous video, 4 hour chart is a great determinant in the direction of the market. So looking at the 4 hour chart, you can see this happening: higher lows and higher highs to the upside, break of structure as well at this level. And then after this break of structure to the upside, we saw a pullback that broke this structure and then created a lower high. So everything in this part, everything now is indicating signs of weakness around this level. So what is most likely going to happen, because if you look at this high that was being created, was Friday 6 o'clock, when most of the major sessions have closed off. So we will be looking at Monday to determine the actual direction of this market, because personally I think we will react off that 50% retracement level and keep rallying to the upside. But in this case we are seeing signs of weakness, so definitely Monday should give us a clear bias. But since we are not seeing it's not actually correlating with GBP AUD, the best thing is to focus on the higher time frame and look at what's going to happen on Monday. Monday will determine our direction. So clearly you can see signs of weakness here. So once we keep selling on the 4 hour chart, if we see price if we see price drop and do this and starts to drop, then overall we are going to drop and break this level. We're most likely going to drop and break this level, and that will indicate bearishness. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. And do well to like and subscribe and turn on all notifications and share to your friends as well. Young traders or professional traders, whichever one. Let's share ideas. And I'm waiting for your comments in the comment sections. Whichever questions you have, or whatever thing you're finding difficult that has to do with trading. As long as you write it down in the comment section and I find it valid, I will be able to find out time to make and create a video for that. And also, I'll also keep you guys posted on the analysis we have just made. So stay tuned, turn on all notifications so that when I'll be posting throughout the week, you guys will be there and you guys will get it. And also, I'll be creating new videos on when I actually take my trades, what I look out for when I'm taking my trades, and my psychology during my trades. So these are a lot of videos that I'll be bringing to you guys from this week, so from next week. So stay tuned and get ready.